Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a C++ compiler and VS Code so you can compile and edit. Choose MS Build Tools for CL, EXE or Min GWW64 for GCC. Install and add its bin folder to path so commands run from PowerShell. Next, install Visual Studio Code and the Microsoft C/C++ extension so you get IntelliSense, debugging, and tasks. Once done, open a terminal and run GCC version, or CL. EXE to confirm the compiler responds. This prevents later configuration headaches. You now set up the project configuration so building and debugging work smoothly. Open your project folder, add main. CPP, then use the C/C++ extension to edit configurations and set include path and compiler path to match your compiler. Create a tasks. JSON that invokes G++ or CL. EXE with desired flags, this automates builds. Then create a launch. JSON referring to the compiled executable and choose the correct debugger mode and path. Make sure source-level breakpoints resolve by matching paths between build output and launch settings. You finish by building and testing the executable, then debugging to verify behavior. Run your build task and read errors in the terminal. Fix compile flags or include paths as needed. Once it builds, press F5 to launch the debugger, set breakpoints, step through code, and watch variables to understand flow. If the debugger won't start or symbols are missing, make sure the compiler path and path point to the right toolchain and that launch. JSON points to the actual executable. This single check resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.